Have you ever wondered why we have seasons? It's all thanks to Earth's axial tilt. But what would happen if that tilt suddenly vanished? In this video, we'll explore the hypothetical scenario where Earth has zero axial tilt and discover how it would change our planet forever. Currently, Earth is tilted at 23.5 degrees relative to its orbital plane. This tilt is the fundamental reason for our annual cycle of seasons. Imagine an Earth standing perfectly upright, perpendicular to its path around the sun. What does a world without tilt look like? With zero axial tilt, the concept of seasons would cease to exist. Every day of the year would feel virtually identical to the last. Without tilt, day length would remain constant throughout the year. Every location on Earth would experience 12 hours of light and 12 hours of dark every single day. Sunlight would hit the Earth at a constant angle for every latitude all year long, meaning the sun's position at noon would never shift. The climate would shift from dynamic and seasonal to static and extreme. The transition zones we call spring and autumn would vanish. Without seasons, temperature gradients would sharpen. The poles would become permanent frozen wastelands, while the equator would bake in eternal, relentless heat. The polar regions would receive such low-angle sunlight that they would likely remain locked in a perpetual state of deep freeze. Meanwhile, the equator would face constant, direct solar radiation, leading to potential heat stagnation and extreme weather patterns. Life on Earth has evolved to synchronize with seasons. A static climate would throw global ecosystems into total chaos. Annual migrations of birds, whales, and other species rely on seasonal cues. Removing these triggers could cause catastrophic population collapses. Our food systems are built on seasonal harvests. Without rotating growing seasons, global agriculture would face an unprecedented crisis. Monsoons and rain belts would become fixed. Some areas would receive eternal drought, while others would suffer under endless rain. Astronomers use these models to understand how planetary tilt is a quote-unquote Goldilocks feature for habitability. While our orbit might remain stable, the climate dynamics would be fundamentally broken, making the planet much less hospitable. Our axial tilt distributes heat globally, preventing extreme localized climates. It is a critical component of Earth's ability to host complex life. Earth is not just a rock in space, it is a finely tuned system. Every degree of tilt plays a role in the life we see today. So, the next time you feel the changing of the seasons, remember, our axial tilt is a silent, essential guardian of life. Ultimately, our specific axial tilt isn't just an astronomical coincidence. It's a fundamental pillar that allows life to thrive across our diverse and beautiful planet.